Hi guys, I'm going to be talking about my Promobox. It's a program through VistaPrint where they send you things with your name on it. I am a wine consultant and I do wine tastings in people's homes, and I also do personalized labels under our branding, and we also do wine club. So to promote that business, I just kind of was interested in some of the different things that they might send through this Promobox. And so it looks like today they give you an overview. I've got a paper with letterhead and envelopes, an engraved pen, engraved business card holder, and they give you $10 VistaPrint cash, I think every time, because it seems like that's a trend. I've gotten it a couple times now. So let's take a look at how this stuff looks. So these are pretty cool. These are envelopes, and it says wine shop at home over here. Wait, where am I? Over here with a glass of wine, kind of artistic. Those are cool. And the letterhead is actually really cool too. I like that a lot. I don't know how often I really use letterhead and stuff because it's more of, word of mouth kind of business. It's not so much like I write letters to try to get people to do tastings or anything. Most people just go to one and then they want to do one. So it's kind of like that. I like this business card holder, the Wine Shop at Home. I'm just going to try to pull it out of here. But, well, it's engraved anyway. There, you can see there, I think. But that's actually something that I'll use. And then this pen that says Wine Shop at Home is too. What they miss in this Promobox sometimes is, like, it says Wine Shop at Home. So, but if I gave this to somebody, they would not remember that it was from me because it doesn't have my name and my phone number on it. So that's kind of the drawback of this, is that they send you kind of random stuff. You don't order it. And so even though it's cool to me because it's my company, this would not promote my business at all. So having said that, I like it. I think I'm going to try to go in there and switch it up a little bit and see if they can sort of alter it to be a little bit more promotional. So like because if I looked at that, I look at this and I think, well, I could put Wine Shop at Home, and then I could put my phone number or my website or my email, and then I could give these pens out at tastings or whatever. So I guess that's not a total waste, because it does give me the idea and I can see the physical quality of what it would look like and stuff. So anyway, that's kind of just a little tiny video just to let you know what the Promobox looks like. I know that there's a lot of people with small businesses, entrepreneurial spirit, and so if you're interested in the Promobox, this is this month's of what I got in there, and maybe if you get in there, you can actually tailor a little more. I'm going to try to get like stuff that shows my phone number too, so I can see what the layout would look like and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I hope you like this quick video about a Promobox through VistaPrint. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!